p.m. for the following counties in Iowa.
It's an SVR.
Carroll, Greene, and Sac.
Using WSV3. Make a zoom out. These storms are crazy. Look, it's a considerable. I already know it.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in west central Iowa, Guthrie County in west central Iowa, Audubon County in west central Iowa, southeastern Crawford County in
It's a
west
big polygon.
central Iowa, Carroll County in west central Iowa, southwestern Boone County in central Iowa, Dallas County in central Iowa until 6:15 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles north of Kimbalton to near Earlham, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
Omaha
hail.
canceled a portion of the SBA.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Guthrie Center, Perry Municipal Airport,
Record event
Arthur
reports.
North Millie Airport, Yale, Coon Rapids,
81.
Blackens Game Management Area, Jefferson
Jeez.
Municipal Airport, Ralston, Lake Panorama, Lauderdale, Perry,
There's no
Leggett
tornado
State Park,
warning.
Dedham, West Side, Audubon County Airport, Ogden, Bagley, Gray, Minburn, and Manning Municipal Airport.
Gray.
This includes
Just like
interstate
Sprunky.
between mile markers 104 and 106. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Audubon, Boone, Carroll, Crawford, Dallas, Greene, and Guthrie.
Oh, Des Moines is under an
Severe
SVR.
Thunderstorm watch number 31 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following